Let's see some miscellaneous shortcut keys. I removed the table formatting so I can show you this shortcut. If you need quick filtering on your data, use this filter toggle. Ctrl-Shift-L. Filter toggle. Ctrl-T. Create table. Ctrl-Shift-T. Table total row toggle. Alt F1. Create a chart from the data in the current range. F11. Create a chart from the data in the current range on a separate chart sheet. Ctrl-D. Duplicate chart. Let me replace these quantities with random values using the rand-between function. There are 4 types of recalculations that you can invoke with shortcut keys. Here are the definitions. Usually, you will simply use F9. Now let me insert a pivot table quickly. If you don't know what a pivot table is, we will have a dedicated section to discover. So here we have this pivot table that is taking data from the table on the left. If I hit F9, the rand-between function will generate new values, but the pivot table doesn't get refreshed. I need to hit Alt F5 to refresh pivot table data. The active cell has to be inside the pivot table. Alt F11. Open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications editor. Alt F8. Open the macro dialog. Alright, I hope you learned some new shortcuts that will save you time. See you in the next video.